Okay, there's the first light. Here they come. It's today, Wednesday. Okay. Hear the birds? Everything's like getting green. Look at how nice. I'm so glad nobody else comes here. Got my red boots. Got my red boots on again. Got my wellies. They're called wellies. Okay, I'll be quiet so you can hear the sounds of nature instead of the sounds of Nancy. It's Brian and Pat again this morning, as most mornings. Horn time. Dog time too. God, Nick, quiet. Wow, that's a loud one. Awesome, thanks. So, my boxcar is going to Detroit and it will not be back for 2 weeks or so. So I can't do it this weekend. Here it is, the other side of that one. Okay, I'm coming up to Palmer later. See ya.